Ladies and gentlemen, we are delighted to have you on our website. You know, iasvideos.com is the daddy for the innovation. Now we are on the home page of our website. Come on, let us see how to start our integrated mains course. Just scroll down to the bottom of the website. Click here. You will be taken to this page. See, the main characteristic of this course is that each bit of the syllabus is supported by the static portion button as well as current affairs button. Suppose if you click on the static portion link of the art and culture, it will display the contents of the traditional syllabus. Then click on the first link here. Now you will be directed back to the home page because only our subscribers with username and password can access these content. Now you need to log in into our website. Click on My Account. After entering username and password, click Login. Soon after login, you will get complete access to all the contents. Now you have to start your course. Now if you click on the static portion, you will be taken to this page. Now click on the first link here. See, now you got an access to content. You have to read the content here, or if you can't read online, you can take the printout of this. You have to press Ctrl P. See, there is lot to scroll down. Now if you click on the current affairs link of art and culture, you will be directed to this page. See, this is August 1st Hindu article. Click on this. See, this is how current affairs will be covered, and each and every article will be compared above the one another. See, GS1 comprises mostly static portion with least scope to current affairs. But in GS2 and 3, 70 to 85% questions will be based on the current affairs. Here you may not get direct questions as UPSC always trying to test your understanding and analytical skills. So don't worry, we are here to make your job very easy. If you click on GS2, the contents will be opened like this. Now let us take a look at our government policies and intervention for development. Static portion will throw light on these topics because the basic understanding of any of these topics is vital to build your answer very well. Okay. The contents will be displayed like this. You can read here or you can take the printout, remind it. Now let us click on the current affairs button for government policies and interventions. See, in a single frame you are watching all the articles from the first day to the last day. During the exam time, under this topic there would be around 30 to 40 topics similar to this. You can hardly revise these within 5 to 6 hours and even without missing in an organized manner. Now let us click on GS paper 3. We will take a look at our government budgeting. If we click on the static portion, click this link here. Now these are the basic things that you need to know. Remember, to build better answer, these are very much necessary, the basic concepts. If you click on the current affairs, see, for example, this is today's article in Economics Times. See how we have analyzed this article. If you read newspaper, you will not get like this. And in the future, if we get any article, we will compile above this, and even during exam time, you will revise easily. The best part of this course is you can go through topic wise, ensuring end-to-end syllabus coverage. Okay, thank you for watching the videos, guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.